Hello, this is Joel Dupree. I'm going to do a 2-minute elevator pitch on Windstream Hosted Solutions. So, Windstream Hosted Solutions, or Windstream, has emerged from being a rural network cable provider to this Fortune 500 world class enterprise technology company through acquisition. So that's kind of our story. We are a company ran by CFOs that have really ended up at this place through acquisition. And I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the Paytech acquisition about 2 years ago. Well, a year prior to that, they acquired a company called Hosted Solutions out of Raleigh, North Carolina, which was a 9-year-old data center focused organization, leading provider in the Southeast, had a great presence, a lot of customers, really a very solid organization out there. And over the last 3 years, we've grown that business into a leading infrastructure as a service data center organization with customers all over the country. So that's kind of the story of how Hosted Solutions came to exist within Windstream. Now, the interesting thing is, or the nice thing is that Hosted Solutions is still really left alone. I mean, Windstream's the parent company, but Hosted Solutions, we're able to really keep that culture. We're able to be nimble, very customer centric, use our own systems, our own processes, and really have that inherent data center business and culture, thriving and existing on the Hosted Solutions side of the house. So we didn't go and try to integrate a data center business into a CLEC. Instead we really let them, be separate, and it's allowed us to build a very, very great story in the market. So when we talk about data center and what does that mean? What do you do? What are the products? What's it consist of? Well, really what we're focused on is 3 different core categories, right? So we have our infrastructure as a service offering, which is cloud computing, right? You have companies that focus on software as a service, platform as a service. We're focused on infrastructure as a service, and inside of that we have public cloud, private cloud, and then hybrid cloud. We also have enterprise co-location. And then we have dedicated services, so like dedicated servers, that type of stuff. Then we have an entire extensive managed service offering, with multiple different, services that we're layering on top of those offerings. So when, we want to identify ourselves in the market, who are we, where do we exist? We're enterprise cloud. We're where you put high availability, serious infrastructure. When you look at the cloud arena, you have the Amazons and the Googles of the world, Microsoft Azure, and they're really focused on, plug a credit card in, get your Elastic Cloud, spin up resources, good for test and dev, good for lots of things, but we're on the other side. We're competing, with SunGard, with Savvis, with Terramark. I mean, we're serious infrastructure, we're production, we're high availability. We're building out real solutions for our customers. So when people are like, hey, where does Hosted Solutions exist? It's enterprise cloud. So that's what we're offering. That's the market that we're in. Tell me a little bit about what you guys do in your business.